Here's an easy way to repot cactus without getting a prickle in your finger. And in fact, this method works well when potting succulents and other small or hard-to-handle houseplants. Cactus are often grown in these tiny little plastic pots, and I'd recommend potting them into bigger pots as soon as you buy them so that they have more room to grow, more nutrient, and won't topple over as easily. So we need to start with some compost. You can go out and buy some specialized cactus compost, and if you're repotting many cactus plants, then this would be a great idea. But if you're just repotting one or two, then you probably don't want to bother with the extra expense. We can make a simple but effective cactus compost from multi-purpose potting compost mixed with horticultural grit or river sand. Builder's sand does work, but it's usually too fine and doesn't offer such good drainage as sand with bigger grains. I'm mixing multi-purpose potting compost with river sand in a roughly 50-50 or half-half ratio. Now that it's well mixed, we can set the compost aside. Next, we need a small plastic bag or a sheet of newspaper. Fold the bag or paper to form a long rectangular strip. This is going to form our handle. Wrap it around the cactus and grip it firmly, close to the cactus. Now grab the pot with your other hand and gently rotate the pot left and right to loosen the compost. The cactus and its compost can now be lifted out of the pot. Carefully set the cactus aside and keep the pot. We will need the pot in a moment. Back to our compost and the new pot that I have chosen to pot the cactus into. I have chosen a pot that is 3 to 4 centimeters, about 1 inch wider than the original pot. This pot is clay, and I prefer clay as it's heavier and less likely to topple, and I think clay pots look nicer when used for potting cactus. Now put a good pinch of compost into the pot and place the original pot inside. We need to aim to have the top of the original pot 1 to 2 centimeters, that's about half an inch, below the rim of the new pot. So you may have to adjust the amount of compost in the pot to get the right level. Now we can start to fill in the gap between the old pot and the new pot. Firm the compost down as you rotate the pot. A stick can be used to help with the firming. I'm using a chopstick here. Don't fill the gap right to the top of the new pot. You should leave a gap to make watering easier. Now for the moment of truth. Carefully pull the smaller pot out and you should have a perfect hole in the middle of the compost. If your compost collapses, it may be too dry. If the compost is very dry, add some water with a hand sprayer to make it slightly moist and try again. Now we can take the cactus and carefully place it in the hole. But do take your time. Don't rush this. Now take the bag or paper handle off and place over the top of the cactus and pull downwards to firm the cactus into the hole. Now you can use your finger or stick to gently firm the cactus in, rotating the pot as you do so. And that's all there is to it. Now the cactus can be watered in to settle it down, and it can be placed back in its growing position. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. I really appreciate your support. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more of my plant videos. Thanks again, and I look forward to bringing you the next video soon.